Hi everyone, welcome to the 3-Minute Math YouTube channel where we go over the solutions to contest math problems in 3 minutes or less. Our next problem is from 2005 AMC 10, and it's question number 7. Josh and Mike live 13 miles apart. Yesterday, Josh started to ride his bicycle towards Mike's house. A little later, Mike started to ride his bicycle towards Josh's house. When they met, Josh had ridden for twice the length of time as Mike and at 4/5 of Mike's rate. How many miles had Mike ridden when they met? So you can make a T-chart for this. This is Mike, Josh, this is time. This is at 4/5 of the rate, so this is rate. So Mike had ridden so if you consider the time as x and your rate as y, Josh had ridden for twice the length of time as Mike. And at 4/5 of Mike's rate. And so distance equals time times the rate. Yeah. So how many miles had Mike ridden when they met? You're given an equation here. So we know that total distance is 13 miles. You have xy plus 2, okay, so plus 8/5 xy equals 13. So 13/5 xy equals 13, which means that xy equals 5. And so the question's asking how many miles had Mike ridden when they met? Well, Mike had ridden x times y, so xy is 5. So Mike had ridden 5 miles by the time they met. So the answer is B.